Hi everyone. So today, as you guys can see, Mishka is sitting on his perch, and what we did was we went to go get him a couple of new toys, like this. I guess this chain link perch there. We bought him a new cuddle bone holder. We bought this new, I guess, millet seed holder for him. And we bought a little swing. Now, what's also special is today, Mishka has a new friend. And that is Sitka. Now, Sitka is also a parakeet budgie. I haven't been able to tell how old these two budgies are, but one of the pet associates at the store said to look at the stripes on their head, and the more stripes that they have on the back of their head or in the front of their head, that will usually tell how old they are. Now, Sitka is a greenish yellow, kind of like Jamaican colors type of a bird, and Mishka is kind of like a sky blue with white on top. So hopefully these two get along. I think they'll make a really nice friends. And hopefully, if you guys like, subscribe and comment below, and hopefully I'll be making some more videos of my two parakeets. I'm going to be going on vacation next week, starting Friday for a week. So if you guys have any hints, my neighbor will be coming over throughout the week to check on them and make sure their food is well supplied and their water. But yeah, if you guys have any cool tips or comments, please put them below. And yeah, so the one on the left is Mishka. Hi. And the one on the right is Sitka. See you guys later.